ready to race. This is Hugh. We just brought in a 2020 KTM Duke 790. This thing is super cool. Hold on, flip, boom, here it is. The Duke 790. Now, this thing is just amazing. Comes in with very low miles, and the look, I mean, it looks like a big old nasty bug, and that's the way that KTM designs a lot of their stuff. I think what's really cool about this motorcycle is, one, its performance is phenomenal. You can't get a lot faster than this. It's a great track bike. As a matter of fact, from my understanding, all of the modes that this thing can have, it actually does have. So if that doesn't add value to this, I don't know what does. What I do know is that choosy people choose KTM and go off-road, and they also go on track, which this actually has the mode for it. It actually has wheelie control, which I think is pretty neat. Apparently, you can do wheelies on this thing. I would, if I could, but for those who know me, wheeling on purpose, never. Wheeling by accident, yeah, a few times.